Community link. Getting started in your back office. Branding your mobile app. To get started branding your app with your company colors and images, click the My Apps button in the main menu. Next, select the desired app from the drop-down box menu at the top. In the App Management panel, click the Open in New Window link. This will allow you to view your app as you make changes. View your app in mobile mode to see how your changes affect your app. If you're unsure on how this is done, watch Part 2 of the Getting Started in Your Back Office video workshop covering dashboard and app setup. You'll want to change the default colors to the colors your company uses for branding. Make a mental note of what colors you currently have as you flip through the mobile app screens. As you make changes, you'll get a better understanding of the effects in each screen. Return to the Back Office tab to make your changes. Next, click the Configure App link in the Application Management panel. In the Configure screen, you land on the Color Settings section. This is where you can change the colors of your app. Each area has a general description of what aspects of your app that color will affect. This will help give you a better idea of how to set your colors up. In changing your colors, you can utilize 3 different formats: RGB, HSL, or hexadecimal. Take a minute to set up all the colors for your app. Once you're happy with your choices, click the Update App Colors button to save your changes. Switching to the Mobile App tab, refresh the page to view the changes you've made to your app. Switch to your Back Office tab and click on Image Settings on the left side of the app configuration screen to update the images in your app. Click the Select Company Image button to select an image from your computer as your company image. Click the Select Icon Image button to select an image from your computer as the icon for your app. Click the Select Banner Image button to select an image from your computer as your company banner. There are several other images that you can change to further customize your app, and even some areas where you can provide information about the content within that screen. You can provide a single paragraph of text on several screens to provide additional information for your viewer. If you don't have text you can copy and paste into the form at this time, you can simply add 1 line of text to be able to see where it appears in your app. Click the Save App Images button to save your changes, then switch back to your Mobile App tab to see how they've affected your mobile app. Click the Refresh button in your browser to refresh your mobile app for the changes to appear. Browse through the screens in your mobile app to review the changes you've made in your back office. When you're satisfied with your updates, you can close the Mobile App tab to return to your back office. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and information, and don't forget to enable notifications. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video workshop helpful.